What's up, players? I hope you're good. It's been quite long since the last Quarentine. I am very excited because this is already the third episode of our Quarentine Serie. So today we're gonna be reviewing some aspects that I usually train with my students. Looking for a cool video to have some home training in these quarantine times? This is the right one. Here we go. Let's begin with mealogy compasso. From there, we're gonna do a transition to martellogy chant. Look closely how I'm ending. Now execute in a U pequena straight to negativa. From there, we're gonna do this transition. This little step is gonna guide us exactly to negativa. Now, try this combination between martellogy chant and queda hand, but be aware that this time I'm ending differently. Let's do a small roulette so we can return to the front. Change your negativa and now do a roulette to the front to throw a sound. Look closely how I'm turning to negativa. Slide your feet to the back, cut the roulette, and get back to the cadera. Congratulations, warrior. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more and we'll see us in the next Quarentine. Take care.